Funny guy, beautiful Natty.
Pretty guy,
Beautiful.
holy shit.
Okay, now all this, now
colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Will you please be seated?
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage. is a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honor you.
With my body, I honor you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God.
Within the love of God.
Thank you, my boy. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honor you.
With my body, I honor you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God.
Within the love of God.
Friends, for as much as David and Natalie have made this commitment here this afternoon and have said the same before God and before us all, it is my great joy to pronounce them husband and wife.
Well done, Darby. Well done, my boy.
We're always dreaming about the other side. We're holding on to what we left behind. Just wanna live like we will never die. Right here, right now. Let's make a promise that we keep for life. We won't forget who we are inside. I think about it and I come alive. Right here, right now. When we wanna stop and cry, but we'll remember how we got this high. Right here, right now. Oh no, we don't have to look too far. Home is always close, it's always in our hearts. No matter where we go, no matter where we are, we don't have to look too far. Oh no, we don't have to look too far. Home is always close, it's always in our hearts. No matter where we go, no matter where we are, we don't have to look too far. Home is always in our hearts. Home is always in our hearts. We don't have to look too far, 'cause home is always in our hearts. Oh no, we don't have to look too far. Home is always close, it's always in our hearts. No matter where we go, no matter where we are, we don't have to look too far. Oh no, we don't have to look too far. No matter where we go, no matter where we are, we don't have to look too far.
Wishing you both well, happiness and a lovely family, and hopefully you will have lots of grandchildren with young Bev, Mum and I, and that you'll have a happy life together and that you're successful. God bless you both and all the very best. We now rise and drink the toast to my two most favourite people in the room at the moment. The bride and groom, off, and away.
I know it's been said numerous times tonight, but in fact, you look absolutely exquisite, and you radiate this beautiful energy that everyone here can feel. We are so proud to call you our sister, and thank you for taking us on this incredible journey with you. In closing, we'd like to offer you both some words of wisdom. In the words of our dad, and I quote, "Marriage is a gamble, and you've got to work hard at it every single day. Teach each other, learn from each other, respect one another's opinions, support each other, laugh until tears roll down your face and your tummies ache. Give of one another, and above all, love each other more every day as if it were your last." To Davi and Nati, married and still cool, we love you both.
Good evening. It's quite unfamiliar to hear that song and not be loving Brandy. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Nats, I can't express how beautiful you look tonight. I've told you constantly, and I'm so happy that I get to spend the rest of my life with you. And we get to share everything going forward. You make every single person a better person for knowing you, and you've made me a better version of myself. You've allowed me to grow whilst being myself and encouraging me to push myself constantly. And you are everything that I could have ever asked for. I am because of you. And you are what I've dreamt of. Being able to call you my girlfriend, my fiancée, my best friend, and now my wife, makes me smile every single morning and every single night. And you make me the happiest person in the world. Love, I love you more than you will ever know. If everyone will be upstanding and join me in a toast to my beautiful wife, Natalie Sarah Sutherland.